Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syami Mishasha binti Yaqub from JBA 2495A. So today I am going to present for the assignment number 2 of the subject ICT 500. The topic is evaluation of a website or a mobile app. So in this assignment I choose TNG e-wallet app. Okay, this is TNG's e-wallet background. Touch 'n Go released its own e-wallet application in February 2017. It utilized QR code technology to make any payments such as prepaid mobile services, pay bills, purchase flight tickets and bus tickets. This e-wallet can use credit card or debit card, JomPay, TNG reload pins to reload the balance of the wallet. First, the TNG e-wallet app entered the mobile payment through a partnership with Maxis, the payment system which called Near Field Communication NFC. In July 2012, a collaboration made with CIMB and Maxis to create NFC. The QR code system is used to make any payment at any store and shop. And also, this app can make prepaid mobile services, bill payment, purchase bus and flight tickets. On 15 November 2017, Central Bank of Malaysia approved Touch 'n Go e-wallet partnering with Ant Financial. From this survey, I've got 43 respondents that respond on this survey of TNG e-wallet app. 60.5% from the respondents are female, while 39.5% of them are male. There are only 2.3% from the respondent are aged below than 18 years old, while the rest is 19 to 29 years old. Most of the respondents are students, which are 83.7% of them, while unemployed respondents are only 2.3%. There are 53.7% of them have income below 1,000 ringgit, while there are 12.2% of them have income 1,000 to 4,000 ringgit. 51.2% of them, which is 22 respondents, are strongly agreed on the statement that they are satisfied with TNG e-wallet system. There are 62.8% from the respondent vote on strongly agreed that TNG e-wallet is easy to use. There are also only 9.3% of them that is just agree with the statement. 55.8% respondents from this survey vote on strongly agreed that TNG e-wallet top-ups and bill payment services are convenient. There are also 14% persons that is just agree with the statement. 46.5% from this survey voted that they are strongly agreed on the statement of they are comfortable with using this app, while the others are just moderately agree. 58.1% from this survey voted strongly agree that TNG e-wallet is convenient to make any payment at any stores and shop, while the others just moderately agreed. Only 11 responded, which is 25.6% of them, voted strongly agreed that they always use the TNG e-wallet app, while there are 20.9% who did not use this app. Only 8 respondents, which is 18.6% of them, voted that this app strongly give them error message and troubleshoot, while there are 7 respondents who not agreed with this statement. 44.2% of them voted strongly agree on that it's easy to browse the TNG e-wallet application, while there are only 2% who did not agree on this statement. 30.2% of them voted strongly agree on this statement, which is whenever they make mistake using this app, they could easily recover it, while 7% of them who did not agree on this statement. 34.9% of them voted strongly agree that they like the interface of this app, while there are only 1% who did not agree on this statement. 46.5% of them voted strongly agree that all the functions of the apps are the same with other apps, while there are only 7% of those respondents who did not agree on this statement. The highest voted is on that only agree, which 41.9% on the statement of the TNG e-wallet app top-up private service are inconvenient and slow. The highest voted that only agree, which is 21 respondents on the statement that they would rather use Boost e-wallet rather than TNG e-wallet. 31% of the respondents strongly agree that it's easy to find information in TNG e-wallet, while there are only 2.4% did not agree on this statement. Overall, 44.2% of them voted strongly agreed that they are satisfied with this app. All the respondents voted that they are satisfied with the TNG e-wallet app. Okay, this is the part C, which is the comment section. There are comments state that there are additional charge for the top-up in the apps. Another respondent said it took a lot of storage in this app. There are respondents said the customer service show a bad attitude. And sometimes the prepaid load is low. I detect that from all the comments from the survey that the TNG e-wallet app have a very inconvenient and slow transaction payment. It could be said that 50-50 from the respondents said most of them they are okay with that. Okay, this is the last question. Is there any suggestion you want to share to improve TNG e-wallet app quality? One of the respondents said TNG e-wallet should boost their marketing in the market. Other than that, they suggest to fix some bug in the app, don't put charge while top up, to fix the TNG payment system to make it faster. And also they suggest to make it available to auto top up direct to our TNG card. Well, the suggestion from this section is very impressive. Other than that, they suggest to always provide bonus or point for the user every month. And please be alert with the client reports in terms of user-friendliness. They also suggest that TNG wallet must have TNB bill in this app. These are other suggestions. Would you recommend this app to other people? 83.7% from the respondents saying yes, that they would recommend this app to other people, while 7% of them said no, and the rest said maybe. What are the differences between TNG e-wallet app with TNG e-wallet website? For TNG e-wallet website, it only allows to search for the function of the mobile app e-wallet and not be able to make payment just like the mobile app. It also cannot make any bill payments prepaid top-up on the website. This website also can only make certain payment from the website, such as bus ticket buying, and only contains promotion content of the app on the website. Differ from TNG e-wallet website, TNG e-wallet app has the feature that is more easy to find compared to the website version. In just one click on the wallet app TNG, we can make payment for bills prepaid and post-prepaid top-up, buying flight ticket and bus ticket payment at any store and shop using this e-wallet app in our smartphone. Just like in this mobile app, we can make any direct payment from our debit card or credit card either to reload the TNG e-wallet or top up the TNG card or even transfer money to other account. We have come to the end of the topic. The conclusion: the TNG e-wallet product offers better resolution and features to the user. It is just in some part there are some lag in this app, such as low inconvenience in terms of payment process for bills and top-up. There are some extra charges on payment method in this app and so on. There are also some suggestions from respondents that they complain some problem they face when using the app. Overall, many of the respondents satisfied with TNG e-wallet. Also, there are many differences from e-wallet app with Touch and Go websites, such as the website cannot make payments, bills and so on. That is all from me. Thank you.